If the smoke is in the air, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Hey good people, thanks for stopping by the channel. It's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Today we're doing a bit of an easy cook. We're gonna smoke up 2 chickens. We're gonna use these chickens for meal prep and sandwich meat throughout the week. So come with me, we'll go inside, prep them, and we'll get them ready to put on the smoker. So let's go. All right guys, today is gonna be a quick and simple cook. We are gonna smoke these chickens that I picked up at my local market. We're gonna smoke them and we're gonna use these for lunch meat. So this will be kind of like a meal prep. Not a big cook, but I just want to take you guys with me. We're going to go ahead and get these out of the package, get the giblets out, any extra skin we'll take off and get them ready for seasoning. All right, I got these all trimmed up, got all the insides out. Like I said, they don't have to be too pretty. We're just going to use them for lunch meat. So got them ready. We're going to use a season today. We're going to go with the Super Bird by Fire and Smoke Society. Haven't tried this yet. I've heard good things, so we're just going to get these seasoned up and they will be ready for the pit. All right, everybody, so we are off and rolling. The Old Country Barbecue Pits is doing its thing. As you can see, we'll dial in at about 250 about right now. We're gonna keep it there for about an hour, a little bit more. Like I said, get some smoke on these birds. We may go a little farther than that, but after that, we'll bump the temperature up a little bit, start working on the skin, get these things done, and we'll pull them off. So after about an hour, we'll come back, I'll open it up, we'll see what they're looking like and see the progress so far. For today's cook, I'm rocking with the pecan wood. It's the type of wood that you use when you don't know how to cook, so small inside joke. Some will get that, some won't. All right, so we are about an hour in. Let's pop this open and take a look at it. All right, so there's the birds. They're taking on some pretty good color. Good, nice smoke on them. Pretty even cooking. So we're probably gonna go ahead and flip these quarter turn so they'll cook a little bit more evenly. Finish them off on the, I guess, left side, depending on how I flip these. So gonna get these flipped and we'll bring you back when I check on them again. Just wanted to take a second to thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Please like this video, please comment and share it if you'd like. Appreciate you, thank you for watching. All right, we're about an hour and 45 in, and as you can see, we're rocking at about 300 degrees. I went ahead and flipped these, so let's open up and see what we got. All right, yeah, looking even better, taking on some more smoke, pretty good color there. I'll go ahead and temp these and see where we are, and I'll go ahead and probably flip them once more. Then we'll let them keep rock and roll until they come up to temperature. All right guys, as you just seen, we just looked at the birds. They are looking good, taking on some good smoke, good color. I just temped them off camera. Breasts are at about 145, legs are about 180. So we're just gonna let this rock, gonna let them finish off. Next time I see you, we'll be inside on the cutting board, so I'll see you there. guys, so you see the chicken on the board. It turned out perfect, beautiful color. It's gonna be some great taste. My work is not done. Now it's time to slice this up and get it ready for sandwiches for the week. But hey, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and rocking with me, watching this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please like this video, comment on it, let me know what you want me to cook, and I'll read your comments. So until next time, we'll see you guys.